Ever uploaded a YouTube video that failed to attract views despite your efforts? Often, the issue isn't the video content, but rather its discoverability. For content creators on YouTube, crafting a great video is merely the first step. To get more views and show up higher in search results, you need the perfect title, description, and tags. These help YouTube figure out what your video is about and show it to the right people. When used right, they can make your video more visible and get you more views. In this guide, I'll show you, step by step, how to use Taja AI to make your video titles, descriptions, and tags better. Plus, I'll share a special tip at the end, so stick around. Optimizing old videos. First, let's look at how to make your older videos better. Maybe you have a video that didn't do so well. Don't give up on it yet. Go to the Taja AI website, link in the description, and log in. If you're new, signing up is easy with your Google account. Once you're logged in, this is how the dashboard looks like. Keep watching the whole video because I have some important tips to share as we go along. Now, at the top, you'll see the Channels option. Clicking on it shows My Channels, and you can add a new one too. When you click on Add Channel, a pop-up will appear, letting you know that a channel gets added automatically when you optimize a video, which means the system starts analyzing your channel as soon as you optimize a video. That's exactly what we need, so click on the Optimize button. You'll be taken to a page where you can link the video you want to improve. Usually, optimizing videos takes a lot of time because you need different tools for keyword research and writing descriptions. But with Taja AI, it's super easy. Go to your channel and check out your old videos. Maybe the titles aren't exciting or the thumbnails don't stand out. That's where Taja AI helps. Click on the video, copy its link, go back to Taja AI, paste it, and click Start. The tool will then make your video better by looking at the whole script, titles, descriptions, and hashtags. You can see how smart this AI is. It looks at your video and suggests the best possible title based on the topic. Below, you'll see a description that's perfect for SEO. Pretty cool, right? This is helpful because you can edit it, use parts of it in other content, or make your future videos better. But that's not all. This AI tool also makes video chapters, automatically adds hashtags, and suggests tags, which are really important if you want your video to be popular. And here's the best part. It gives you 5 optimized video title options, saving you a lot of time. Here's a tip. Choose titles with a green score for better optimization. Imagine uploading a video without having to worry about the title, description, chapters, or even the thumbnail, because this AI does it all for you. Your video will be fully optimized in just 2 minutes. Next, let's talk about thumbnails. Taja AI has a one-click thumbnail generator. This is important because a great title won't matter if your thumbnail doesn't grab attention. If your current thumbnail isn't working, Taja AI can make new ones in seconds. Just click on Generate, and the AI will create a thumbnail that fits your video perfectly. You'll see the thumbnail it made, and it looks amazing. You'll get 3 options to choose from. If you don't like any, you can make more or tweak them using Canva or Photoshop. Let's say you pick a thumbnail, but you want to adjust it a bit. You can change the effects, text, or highlight certain elements. Small changes like this can really help get more clicks on your video. Taja AI doesn't just help with SEO and thumbnails, it can also turn your longer videos into YouTube Shorts. Shorts are really popular right now and can bring more views to your main videos. To make shorts, just go to the right side under the Publish Now option and click on View Repurposed Content. In minutes, Taja AI will take the best parts of your video and make up to 4 different shorts. It also adds subtitles, titles, tags, and more. Just look at my screen. It's amazing, right? You can preview them.
Ever wondered why 99% of content creators struggle to make engaging videos that capture their audience's attention? Well, today, I'm about to reveal the dark secret behind this common challenge and introduce you to a game-changing solution that will revolutionize.
Edit the text. Turn off the captions, or fix any mistakes. You can also change the style, like making a fast-paced edit or something more relaxed. If the text or timing isn't quite right, you can adjust it, resize elements, and trim the clips. You can even add B-roll automatically with AI, and all the B-roll images videos are provided by Pexels. Once you're happy with it, you can publish the shorts directly or download them to use later. Now, just like the AI promised, once you optimize any video on the platform, the system automatically analyzes your channel. As you can see, my channel has been imported to Taja after analyzing the video we just edited. When you click on the Analyze button, the AI will analyze and present your channel like this. It will show your channel's subscription count and total number of views. Below you will find 3 options: Overview, Next Video Generator, and Backlog Boost. Let's start with Overview. Here is where you'll find extra tips to grow your channel. Taja AI understands your channel's details, from your top-performing videos and audience demographics to competitor activities. It uses this deep knowledge to provide tailored, actionable insights that help grow your channel. It can help you find the ideal video length to keep viewers watching longer. It also helps you understand what makes your best-performing videos succeed compared to those that don't do as well. Taja AI also creates your audience persona by analyzing your channel's top-performing videos and audience demographics. It uses this information to help you create content that truly resonates with your audience. This feature is controlled by Taja and is not managed by YouTube. The AI analyzes how your channel typically writes descriptions to keep a consistent tone and structure that appeals to your audience. These guidelines help you refine your descriptions to increase engagement, discoverability, and alignment with your brand's unique style. You can edit these suggestions to perfect the output and ensure each description captures your channel's essence. Taja uses AI to analyze your channel's top-performing thumbnails and visual style. These guidelines are designed to help you create thumbnails that reflect your brand while grabbing viewers' attention. Feel free to adjust these suggestions to fine-tune the look and impact of each thumbnail, enhancing them to maximize viewer engagement and clicks. The Next Video Generator tab is where you get ideas and research for your next video. It also gives you suggestions for high-volume and low-competition keywords in your niche. Now, the Backlog Boost tab is where you can start reviving your old videos. As you can see, the Taja score here is 1, indicating these videos are underperforming. To revive any of these videos, simply click on the Revive Video orange button below the video, and you will be taken to the same analytic page we saw at the beginning. As someone who's been creating content for 5 years, I can confidently say Taja AI is the best tool for saving time and improving my workflow. If you're a content creator, I highly recommend checking out this AI tool. Just click the link in the video description to visit the site. With Taja AI, you can optimize an unlisted video and publish it fully optimized in no time. So, AI tools like Taja AI can save you a lot of time and make a big difference in how well your videos do. If you want to try it out, Taja AI offers a 7-day free trial so you can see the full power of the tool risk-free. This includes access to all features and platforms, letting you see how much time you'll save and how effectively you can reach more people on social media. After the 7 days, depending on the plan you choose, you'll start paying. I know this might seem like a lot, especially if you're just starting out. That's why if you follow the link below, you'll get lifetime access to Taja for a one-time low price. Here are the one-time prices for different plans. If you're interested in more ways AI can improve video editing, make sure to subscribe for updates on new tutorials. And don't forget to like and share. Your support helps others find these tips too.